AI has significantly transformed smartphone photography, enabling users to take professional quality photos with minimal effort. Here are some key ways AI enhances smartphone photography. AI can identify different scenes, such as landscapes, portraits, food, night shots, etc. Based on the recognition, it automatically adjusts settings like brightness, contrast, and saturation for optimal results. This ensures photos look vibrant without needing manual adjustments. For example, Google Pixel's AI scene detection instantly adjusts settings for the perfect shot of a sunset or a group photo. AI-powered night modes are a game changer for low-light photography. Instead of using a long exposure, which can lead to blurry results, AI uses computational photography techniques to merge multiple frames, reducing noise and improving detail. For instance, the iPhone's night mode uses AI to combine multiple shots and create a well-lit photo even in extremely low-light conditions. AI detects the subject in a photo and applies a blur effect to the background, simulating the professional quality background blur that DSLR cameras offer. AI also helps with edge detection, ensuring the subject remains crisp and sharp while the background is softened. An example of this is portrait mode on iPhones and Google Pixel devices. AI can automatically enhance your photos by improving details, brightening shadows, reducing noise, or adding special effects. Some devices also offer AI-driven filters or tools that can smooth skin, remove blemishes, or adjust facial features for better portraits. For example, AI-driven editing tools in apps like Adobe Photoshop Express or Lightroom Mobile allow automatic enhancements, like adjusting the exposure and white balance with one click. AI also works in real time, giving you immediate previews of how changes will look on the image as you adjust the settings. You can see a before and after effect instantly, allowing for more creative control over your shot. An example is Samsung's Scene Optimizer, which gives real-time suggestions for the best camera settings as you frame your shot. Digital zoom can result in pixelated or blurry photos, but AI enhances the quality of zoom shots by intelligently filling in the gaps in pixel data, preserving clarity and detail even in zoomed-in images. For instance, AI-enhanced zoom on phones like the Huawei P30 Pro or Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra can maintain image quality when zooming in without losing too much detail. AI helps stabilize images, especially when shooting video. It can predict movement and correct for shakes, resulting in smoother footage or stills, even when you're moving or in shaky conditions. An example is AI in the iPhone 12 and 13, which stabilizes images during both photo and video capture, preventing blurriness. AI uses facial recognition to automatically adjust focus and exposure, ensuring faces are always sharp and well lit. This is particularly useful in group photos or when shooting in dynamic lighting. For example, AI-based autofocus on Google Pixel phones is fast and accurate, ensuring that subjects stay in focus even during fast movement. AI can combine multiple shots to create high-resolution images with greater detail, even if the original shot is low resolution or taken in less than ideal conditions. AI can enhance fine details like textures and patterns in a photo, as seen with AI-powered SuperRes zoom on Google Pixel devices. AI helps to balance highlights and shadows, even in tricky lighting conditions. It automatically combines multiple exposures to produce a well-lit image with rich details in both bright and dark areas. An example is AI HDR on iPhones and Pixel devices, which balances bright skies and dark landscapes, resulting in photos with more dynamic range.